Today's lesson is on order of operations. Please always remember these letters, P, E, M, D, A, S. And a nice little saying to help you remember that is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. For the order of operations, each letter in please excuse my dear Aunt Sally stands for the order in which you will solve an operation. P is for parentheses. E, exponents. M, multiplication. D, division. A, addition. And S, subtraction. You will always solve problems in this order. First, you would look for all parentheses, brackets, and braces. These are parentheses, brackets, braces. In 5th grade, we learned about exponents, and you will work with exponents. When you get older, you will also learn about radicals, which is this. You also will have to solve the multiplication, then division, then the addition, then the subtraction. Again, this is the order you will always follow when solving operations. First, solve all the parentheses. Second, solve all the exponents. Third, all the multiplication, then all the division, and finally, your addition and subtraction. In our example, we have 3 plus 2 times 4. So I'm going to reflect back on please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And right now, I'm going to look for parentheses, my P. And looking at my problem, I have no P. So I know that step is completed. E, exponents. I'm looking and I have no exponents. So I know that part is complete. Next is my M, which is multiplication. I see that I have 3 plus 2 times 4. So I know that I have to take 2 times 4. That's my first step. 2 times 4 is 8. So now in my problem, I'm going to replace 2 times 4 with an 8. You can see in step 5 how I replace 2 times 4 with my 8. And I rewrote the 3 in my addition symbol. Now it's on to the D. Well, I have no division, so that step is complete. Then addition. I have an addition problem, 3 plus 8. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. Now I have completed my problem, so I'm done. And I have solved the equation with an 11. Here's another example. This time, I added parentheses. I have 6 minus parentheses 5 minus 3 parentheses plus 10. First step is my parentheses. So I have 5 minus 3. I have to solve this first before I can move on. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I replaced this 5 minus 3 with my 2. So now I rewrote my problem as 6 minus 2 plus 10. The next step is multiplication and division. As you can see, I don't have any multiplication or division. Then is your addition and subtraction from left to right. So I have 6 minus 2 plus 10. 6 minus 2 is 4, so I'll replace that problem with a 4. And then I have to add my addition and 10. 4 plus 10 is 14, so I have solved the problem. A more complicated order of operations is 42 minus parentheses 8 minus 6 parentheses times 2 to the power of 2. My first step in please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is parentheses. So as you can see, I need to subtract 8 from 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So the next step, I replace that in my equation. So I have 42 minus 2 times 2 to the second power. The next step is my exponent. I see I have an exponent right here. 2 to the second power is 4, so I will replace that in my equation. So now I have 42 minus 2 times 4. I now have multiplication and division. So I'll take 2 times 4, which is 8. As you can see, I fixed that in my next equation. So now I have 42 minus 8. Well, I have no other things to do besides subtract, so therefore 42 minus 8 is 34. Once you follow all the order of operations, you can solve your equations quicker and efficiently. Don't forget, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.